happily by arranging a cultural event. This day is celebrated as Christmas Day as an annual festival all over the world, especially by the people of Christian religion. This day is of much importance for the Christians as they commemorate the birth of their God, Jesus Christ. It is observed annually on 25th of December as one of the religious and cultural celebrations worldwide. Christmas Day has been declared as the public holiday by the government in most of all the countries across the world. It is also celebrated by the non-Christian people culturally in India and other countries by proper decoration and arrangement. This celebration is one of the integral parts of the holiday celebrations of the year. At this day, children become very happy as they get gifts by their parents and Santa Claus in the midnight. They wear Santa cap and Santa dress to celebrate this day in their school. Children go to market and do lots of shopping with their parents. I hope you all liked my speech on such a great occasion. I wish you all a very happy Christmas.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. May this festive season make your life joyful. May the twinkling stars of Christmas fill your heart with hope and peace. Wish you all a very happy Christmas and a great year ahead.
Christmas is the season of joy, of giving gifts, and of families united. Merry Christmas.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Joy to the earth, the Savior reigns. Let men their songs employ. While fields and floods, rock hills and plains, repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy. Joy to the world, the Lord has come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing.
Best wishes for a joyous Christmas filled with love, happiness and prosperity. May all that be beautiful and meaningful bring you joy in this holiday season and throughout the coming year. Wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
കാലിത്തൊഴുത്തിൽ പിറന്നവനേ കരുണ നിറഞ്ഞവനേ കാലിത്തൊഴുത്തിൽ പിറന്നവനേ കരുണ നിറഞ്ഞവനേ കരളിലെ ചോരയാൽ പാരിന്റെ പാപങ്ങൾ കഴുകിക്കളഞ്ഞവനേ
Magic of Christmas never ends, and its greatest of gifts are family and friends. Happy Christmas and Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas, my dear friends. I would like to thank you for being such a wonderful friends. I wish you peace and love and Merry Christmas to all my dear friends and teachers.
Wishing you a season that's merry and bright with the light of God's love.
How do we people celebrate Christmas? People spend their time with their family members, wearing new clothes and eating a festive meal. Some family exchange gift or give small present or sweet to the children, cutting cakes, decorating Christmas tree, singing carol songs and dancing. Many children carry candle and visit houses. On the Christmas day, all the streets and markets are decorated with light and star, etc.